Hello! Welcome to the Chemistry Kitchen!
Boom, bang, crash, you best protect your lashes. This is chemistry.
Today, we're going to be talking about lava lamps. You will need some water, some vegetable oil, some food coloring, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, and a jar to put it all in.
First, we fill the jar with 2 to 3 inches of water. Then we fill it nearly to the top with our vegetable oil. Then we add a few drops of food coloring. And finally, we add 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets.
Electronegativity is a measure of how strongly atoms attract electrons. So water has polar bonds, which means it attracts electrons more strongly in the bond. So the electrons are shared unequally, whereas oil has nonpolar bonds, so the electrons are shared equally between the atoms. So oil doesn't dissolve in water because water has polar bonds and oil has nonpolar bonds.
As Thea explained, water is a polar molecule, which means that it is charged. Oil is a nonpolar molecule, so it is uncharged and it does not attract to water. When something does not attract to water, it is called hydrophobic. Oil is hydrophobic, so it does not mix with water. Also, we were curious with this one, what would happen if we shook it? So we did. And what happened is it temporarily mixed, but then it soon separated back into its layers of water and oil. And we also see that oil is floating upon water. That is because oil is less dense than water. Density is a measure of mass per unit volume.
Alka-Seltzer tablets are made up of both baking soda and citric acid. Since the tablets themselves are denser than the oil and the water, they sink right to the bottom. There, the water acts as a catalyst to separate the sodium and the carbon into ions. The carbon ions react with the hydrogen ions in the citric acid to form both carbon dioxide gas and water. The bubbles you see is the carbon dioxide gas raising to the top because the gas is less dense than the oil and water. There, at the top, they release the gas and then they fall back down.
We hope you learned something today.
And if you have any questions, please email us at
chemistrykitchen@gmail.com.
and please
Subscribe below!